Hey, what's up? This is Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to do these Ardell lash extensions at home. You just need 2 products. You need the lashes and you need the glue. So if this is something you're interested in learning how to do for yourself, definitely keep watching. This is super beginner friendly. Literally anyone can do it. This is something you just want to learn how to do. You want to save that $150 to $200 on lash extensions. Follow me, like the video, all that good stuff. I post a ton of content around do-it-yourself beauty, so you don't want to miss out. And without further ado, let's get started. So jumping right into the video, I'm going to be using the Ardell Double Up lashes. I use these all the time. I kind of mention them a lot because they're super easy to use. They work really well. They look natural, and we love that. I'm also going to use this glue. It's the Jamari glue from Amazon. It is in the color black and it works really well. Do not get this in your eye. I've done that many times to the point where like I actually got it on a contact and then it never came out. So it never came off, so like my eye was watering like crazy, and then eventually I had to throw the lashes out. Or not lashes. I eventually had to throw out the contacts and my lash days were over for the rest of the trip. Definitely try to avoid getting this on your lashes. So you'll notice in this video, I'll be super focused on making sure that I'm focused on the mirror. So if you don't get the best angle, I'm sorry. I'm trying my absolute best to kind of give you the view that you need, as well as keeping my eyes safe. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Getting started, I am going to use the glue, and I usually apply it to the tray that I'm working on. So like I'll just use this ugly long one as an example. You can see I just continue to use this one. So I'll do that, why not? You know, like why not? I will apply that glue to the tray. Try your very best not to get this glue on your desk because it will stain. Okay, so once you get the lash glue on the tray, what I'm first gonna do is select these small lashes. And the look that I'm going for is a very open eye look. So I want, when my lashes are all done, I want my lashes to look open. I don't want them necessarily looking more like a cat eye. That doesn't seem to look that good on my eye shape. But what does look good is like when my eyes look flipped up and open. I look more awake, I look more happy. So that's what we're gonna do today. Basically go from small back to small, but I'll go small, large to small. So I'll do shorts out here. I'll do mediums right next to it. I will do large or long in the center, and then I will do medium and small. That's how I like to do it. I will put a diagram of what it looks like here for reference. Take a screenshot for yourself. These are super helpful when you're doing your lashes, so you know what size lashes you need for a particular look. This is super helpful. All right, so once we got that out of the way, what I'm first gonna do is grab my short lash and I'm going to put some glue on it. One thing that I've been liking to do that I've noticed it helps like prevent lash glue from getting everywhere is I wipe the back of the lash against a tray, so that way any excess glue that would technically be on the back side of my lashes and that would be like closer to my eyeball is not going to be on the lash anymore. So that way I only have glue on the front of my lash that I'm applying, so that way it can stick to my personal eyelashes without any excess being on the lash. So once I do that, I'm gonna apply the lash underneath my personal lashes. One of the key things when you're doing lashes is to really apply your lash with intention. So don't like haphazardly apply it. Physically like get a handle on the lash you wanna apply it to and then actually press the lash against it. Very intentional. Like I planned on putting this lash here. This wasn't like haphazardly applied. And as you can see, what I like to do also is just press the lash up once I feel it's pretty dry. So again, doing the same thing, dip the lash in the glue, scrape the excess. This is what this is. This is me scraping the excess glue from the backside of my lash onto my tray. Then I'm applying another short directly next to the other. Pressing it down once I feel like it's in the right spot. Pushing it up. So now that I have 2 of the shorts on, I'm going to use the medium. As you can see, I use a lot of these, and I will apply the medium next. I will do that again. Another medium, dip that in lash glue, wipe any excess from underneath the lash, and then quickly apply that next to the other lash. Flip it up. Flip your tweezer over. Press the lash against your lid so that way you're creating that flip method to make sure that it actually sticks. Already looking more awake, lifted, etc. We love that. Now I will add some long lash. Continue to be patient with yourself when you're applying these. You just don't want to react too swiftly because you can, again, get glue on your eye. Why do you want that? It's not good. Okay, so once that's on, I will apply this to my eye. All right, that beautiful lash is on. Okay, so now that I applied the long, instead of doing two longs like I typically would, what I'm gonna do now is apply individual medium lengths to the inner part of my eye. Because I'm getting to the inner part, it's a little hard to put a trio in the inner side. It makes your eye look a little too straight. So I'm gonna use individuals at this point. So what I did was break up one of the triples into 3. So you can see it's just like one single knotted lash instead of 3. Like this one is 2. Oh, you can't tell. I'm holding it with fingers. I'll show you after. But I just basically broke up the 3 into a 1. And then I'm applying that to my lashes. Next to the long. And do that again. Take another single medium, apply some glue, wipe off the excess, and then apply that right next to the other medium. Perfect. And then I will add a single short to my eyelash in the center. And the way that these eyelashes are made, they're super easy to separate. Just use your tweezers to separate them. Grab the one you want and then just use your other separate hand to kind of separate it. So I'm adding a small right here. Right. Okay, so the lashes are all done. I will let that sit for a little bit, then I'll just take a brush and I will just let them dry exactly the way they are. And then I will do this eye and I will come back when I'm done. All right, this is the final look. You can see the lashes are so cute. If this is something that you found helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, helps other people find the video so that way they can learn how to do their own lashes at home. You know, it just makes sense. Everyone wants to be part of something that someone else is already a part of. It's just like a thing. So definitely subscribe. It lets me know, number one, that I'm doing the right thing and that you want to see stuff like this from me. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.